Today is July 27th, 2026. The world is full of talk about artificial intelligence. Most of it is noise. For a busy freelancer, this noise is a distraction. You do not have time to become a machine learning expert. You have clients to serve. You have bills to pay. You need the things that work right now, today. I will show you the 20% of AI skills that produce 80% of the results. No fluff. It respects your time. AI is a tool. It is a lever that amplifies your existing skills. It does not replace your judgment, taste, or client relationships. It helps you get to a better first draft faster and see angles you might have missed. Let's go. The quality of what you get from an AI is determined entirely by the quality of what you put in. A vague request gets a vague and useless answer. A specific, well-structured request gets a specific, useful answer. Most people are bad at this. They treat the AI like a search engine and type a few keywords, hoping for the best. This is the wrong approach. Treat the AI like a smart but inexperienced junior employee. A good prompt has three essential parts: role, context, task. First, role. Tell the model who to be. For example, you are a B2B copywriter specializing in SaaS. This one sentence frames the AI's knowledge, tone, vocabulary, and perspective. Next, context. The AI knows nothing about your situation unless you tell it. Who is the client? What does their company do? What are your goals? For example, I am a freelance email strategist pitching a 10-person marketing team at a 5 million ARR SaaS company that sells project management software. Specific context yields targeted output. Without it, the AI is guessing. Finally, task. Be direct and clear. For example, write a 3-paragraph cold email. Lead with their pain point. Too many disconnected tools, not enough adoption. End with a soft CTA to a 20-minute exploratory call. Not a hard pitch. Compare the difference. Bad prompt. Write a cold email. Good prompt. Role, context, task combined. A good prompt makes the first draft 80% of the way there and slashes your editing time. Build the habit. Always define the role first. This single change will dramatically improve your results. Role, context, task. AI is a lever. It reduces blank page time and helps you start at step 3 instead of step 0. Next, AI client research in 5 minutes. Before a great proposal, understand the client. The old way is slow. Dozens of tabs, endless skimming. After 30 minutes, you have a vague idea and miss subtle signals of real pain. Delegate this to AI and finish in a fraction of the time. Here's the new method. Copy the main sections of their homepage, about page, and LinkedIn description. Paste into your AI tool and ask, what are the top 3 pain points this company is likely facing right now? AI infers challenges from how they describe solutions. If they stress seamless integration, their customers likely suffer a messy software stack. Then ask, based on these pain points, draft 3 personalized cold email openers to their head of marketing. You get targeted intelligence almost instantly. Example, high churn during onboarding surfaces as a key issue. Suggested opener, I saw your case study with Company X and was thinking about how to apply those wins to your onboarding flow. This beats a generic introduction by miles. 0 to a relevant conversation starter in about 5 minutes. Next, AI-assisted proposal writing. Proposals win or lose opportunities, and they eat afternoons. The blank page is intimidating. AI accelerates by shaping your research into a first draft, if you give it structure. Prompt. You are a proposal writing expert for creative freelancers. Using the research below, write a 300-word proposal for a service engagement. Structure. Problem, solution, proof. Investment, next step. Paste in pain points from your 5-minute research. AI drafts to your structure, articulates the problem, and positions your service. This is raw material. You edit, add names, precise numbers, real proof, and your tone. The whole process becomes a focused 25-minute task. Automate structure, spend time on strategy, the part that earns the yes. Next, accelerating delivery. The first 3 skills help you win work. This one helps you deliver it faster. Many deliverables start as documents, posts, calendars, wireframes, decks. AI builds a solid first draft. Workflow has 3 steps. 1. Ask for an outline. Don't request the full piece at once. 2. Expand sections one by one with specifics. 3. Add your expertise, data, insights, corrections, and polish. This cuts delivery time by 40 to 60% without sacrificing quality. Now, what you can ignore for now. The hype cycle creates fake urgency. You are not behind. You do not need custom AI agents. They're complex and often fail unpredictably. Master direct prompting with one model first. You do not need to learn to code. You do not need a prompt engineering certification. You do not need to automate your whole business. Start with 1 or 2 high-leverage workflows. Client research and proposal writing. Knowledge is useless without action. This week, commit to using role, context, task for every AI query. Identify 3 prospects. Spend 5 minutes each with the AI-assisted research method. Notice how starting with a role upgrades the response. Free starter kit with the 5 prompts I use daily. Link in the description. Start small, build momentum this week. The history of productivity is the history of leverage. AI is the next lever for knowledge work. It multiplies your speed and relevance. AI handles drafting and summarizing so you can focus on empathy, creativity, and decisions. Clients buy solutions, not hours. Show up prepared and clear. That's it. 4 skills. Use 2 this week and feel the difference. Now go put it to work.